I remember the first time someone tried to explain Bitcoin to me. They talked for a long time, they used big words, and all I could think was, wait, why would anyone care about something you can't even hold? I looked at my hands. They were empty. No coin, no paper, nothing. So I wondered, why does something invisible matter at all? I didn't want an answer from a book. I wanted it to make sense in my head. So I started thinking about very small things, like toys and playgrounds, and that's where it finally clicked. Here's the strange part. Most things we say are valuable are things we can touch. A toy, a chair, a sandwich. If I give you a sandwich, you can eat it. It's gone. That makes sense. But Bitcoin doesn't sit on a table. You can't put it in your pocket. So the brain says, that can't be real. And honestly, that's a fair feeling because our brains grew up touching things, not trusting invisible ones. So yeah, Bitcoin feels weird at first. I felt that too. Let me tell you a small story. Imagine a playground, just kids. No adults. There's a game everyone loves. In this game, there are special marbles, not because they're shiny, not because they taste good, but because everyone agrees they matter. You can trade them for turns on the swing or extra time on the slide. Now here's the important part. There are only a few of these marbles. No one can secretly make more. If you have one, everyone knows it's real because the playground has rules and everyone can see the rules. So even though a marble is just a marble, it starts to mean something, not because it's magic, but because people agree to treat it seriously. That's the key. One day, it hit me. Value doesn't come from touch. It comes from agreement. A movie ticket is paper, but you don't eat it. It matters because everyone agrees that piece of paper lets you inside. Same with a high score in a game. You can't hold it, but it still matters. Bitcoin is closer to those things than to a gold coin. It's not valuable because it's shiny. It's valuable because people play by the same rules, quietly, across the world. Let's go one step deeper. Still simple, back to the playground. What if someone could suddenly create 1,000,000 new marbles? The old ones wouldn't feel special anymore. The game would break, so the kids make a rule. No one can make extra marbles, ever. That rule is big. Everyone can see it, and no single kid controls it. That's important. Bitcoin works like that rule. There's a clear limit, no surprises, no secret pile, and everyone checks the rules together. So when someone says, I have one, others can quietly verify it. No trust in a person, just trust in the rules. That's it. No magic, no shouting, just shared rules and not many pieces. So why does Bitcoin have value? Not because it's physical, not because it promises anything, but because people agreed on rules. The rules are clear, the thing is limited, and no one owns the rules. It's just a thing people decided to treat carefully, like those playground marbles. Bitcoin isn't good, it isn't bad, it's just a new kind of we agree this matters. And once I saw it that way, it stopped feeling confusing. It just felt human. Funny thing is, before I understood why it has value, I once tried to understand what Bitcoin even is from the very beginning. I remember sitting there, thinking quietly, taking it one tiny step at a time. But that's another part of the story. For now, just sit with this idea. Sometimes, value isn't something you can hold. It's something we quietly agree to protect.